Asthma is a chronic lung disease that causes episodes of wheezing, breathlessness, tightness in the chest, or coughing. After age 15, asthma is more common in girls and women than in boys and men. Women with asthma may have more symptoms during certain times in the menstrual cycle. Asthma may cause problems during pregnancy. You can help prevent or stop asthma attacks with medicine and by staying away from your asthma triggers, such as pollen, mold, or air pollution. Check the link in the video description for more information. Polycystic Ovary Syndrome Awareness Month is observed annually in September. It aims to raise awareness about PCOS, a common hormonal disorder affecting women of reproductive age. PCOS affects an estimated 1 in 10 women of reproductive age. It is characterized by irregular periods, excessive hair growth, acne, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial for managing PCOS and improving women's health outcomes. Learn more at the link in the video description.